Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Power BI Desktop on Windows operating system. To download the software in Google search box, write there Power BI Desktop, then go on this Microsoft.com site. Then here you need to click on this download button. So this we need to open there Microsoft Store. Click this open Microsoft Store and there you can get this Power BI Desktop. Click on this simply install button. So Power BI Desktop 4.7 rating, and this here, that's all that's coming. Currently this is installing, and here some download process is also going on. Here total size 841 MB. Okay, so this is now currently downloading. So if I go on this home here, okay, let's go on this Power BI Desktop, and here this number of download that's true. This Power BI Desktop that install. If I go into this library, and here you can see Power BI Desktop. So for opening there, by clicking this open, you can open the Power BI Desktop, or in search box right there Power BI Desktop that's come. Simply you need to click this, and then you can see Microsoft Power BI is now opening. And this here you can create a blank SQL server. You can do the connection, you can do the Excel work, so or get data from the different source are available. So let's click this. There you can see this that's come there, and you can get the data. Let's use the test CSV. Click on this connect. So on this or desktop, okay, desktop raw data. Here, let's select EMP CSV. So this now EMP CSV, this is record there. You can load the data or transfer. So by clicking this, you can load the data inside this Power BI desktop. So this is that's come there. Let's double click this. And here you can see, you can select there. So let's select your DBT number. That's come there. EMP number not going to select. Let's select there salary hire date. So that's come there. Now here you have this visualization you can use on this chart according to your requirement. So this visualization of the data you can see there. So by following this approach, you can install the Power BI Desktop on Windows. So I hope guys this video is still helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.